Today, I'd like to talk to you about how to go about getting referral partners or just getting referrals, period. One of the biggest challenges I see with entrepreneurs is they don't answer the phone. They'll answer a text, but they won't answer the phone. And they're not very good with follow-up. Even if I meet somebody at a networking group, even virtually, and I say, oh, why don't we get together in a couple days? I never hear from that person, even though they agree. So I reach out to them because otherwise we would never connect again. We had this nice conversation at the networking group and then boom, they're gone. I never hear back from them. If you want referrals, the first thing you need to do is follow up on your agreement. If you say you're going to reach out, reach out. Don't just say, oh, I don't know what to say. I don't want to do it. Should I call? Should I email? Should I text? Oh, well, I just won't do anything. That's a sure way to never get any business. Your follow-up is so important. And you know, these cards all over your desk, that's kind of a pain in the butt too. And I finally got a CRM that I absolutely love. If you want to know what it is, I'll put it down below because it does everything that Infusionsoft does, but it's so much easier to work with. If you do it that way, it's easy to follow up because you put those cards in your system and then it tracks them for you so you can make sure that you follow up with people. If you follow up, you make more money. It's just that simple. And just because somebody says, no, I don't want to do it right now, here's my little tip. You can always say, is it no for now or no forever? If they say, oh, it's no forever, this isn't my thing, that's fine. Then be grateful because they didn't waste any of your time. If they say no for now, then you say, when could I get in touch with you next? When people see your diligence and they know you're going to follow up and they know you're going to do what you say you're going to do, then they're going to work with you. Then they're going to refer you because they know that you have referral integrity. And that is so important. If you want to become a part of a referral group, then join the Authors and Speakers Visibility Playground because we have a mastermind every week and it has a referral group within it. So we all refer to each other. That'd be pretty cool, right? You have all these people out there looking for what it is that you do so they can refer to you. It's so much easier than trying to do it all by yourself. So don't forget what it takes to be a referral buddy. We want to be dependable. We want to be responsible. We want to follow through. We want to call when we say we're going to call. We want to do what we say we're going to do. Have a great week.